Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a GE CleanSpeak dryer and it's giving you an F05 error and you're wondering what this error is and what you need to do in order to get rid of it. So first of all, what it is the F05 is that the control board has some kind of internal failure on it. So before you move forward in terms of dealing with the control board, the first thing you want to do is do a hard reset on your dryer, which is to disconnect it from power completely for at least a minute, restore power, and see if that doesn't clear the error out. If the error does not get cleared out, then what you'll need to do is turn your dryer off, disconnect it from power, and replace the control board. I'll go ahead and put a link in the description. This is a moderately complicated thing to do, but if you want to try it, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description to instructions on how you can actually replace the control board. And once you're able to do that, you should be able to clear out this error and get your dryer working again.